Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video I will show you how I made this grape wine. This is very another easy recipe. You can do it on your own. So yes, if you can do it, why do you need to buy? Yes, I'm using this 1 kg of grapefruits to do this. So I'll be using this jar. You can see the air valve is already open, so I will detach the grape from the stem. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I do appreciate that. Okay, here is already detached, so I'll be using my hand blender to blend or mash it. You can use your stick spatula if you don't have the hand blender, it still works, or you can blend it. So I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. So sugar is good for fermentation of fruits, okay? So you add sugar as much as you want it. So I'm using this 10 grams of active dry wine yeast. Yes, you can use ordinary yeast in place of this, it still works. So I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So I'll cover it. So remember the air valve is out, so I will let it stay for 7 days. So this is after 7 days of fermentation. You can see there's already a demarcation, so you can see the pot is already up. So I'll be sieving everything. So if you are seeing my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe and follow my page at Glatory Flavors. Please like my video, comment, and please share. So I'm transferring it again back to the jar. You can see it's very cloudy, so it's still going through the fermentation process. So you see, so cloudy. So I'll cover it back again, and remember to leave the air valve for degassing. So this is after 14 days of fermentation. You can see it's getting more clearer and the color is already coming out. So I'll be sifting it again. I'll sieve it again. You can see the bottom part. I'll wash it off, and I'll transfer it back again to the jar to continue the fermentation process. I'll cover it back again. Remember the air valve should be open. Okay, this is after 21 days. You can see the color is amazing and it's more clearer now. So now I'm transferring it into the jar, and this will be the end of the fermentation process. So at this time, if you think it's not sweet enough, you can add sugar to it, but if you don't mind, it's still good to go. So I'm transferring it now on the bottle, and I choose to use the small funnel for this because it works better. So remember, if you have not subscribed, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please subscribe, follow my page, like my video, comment, and please share. This is amazing. I hope you'll get to try this. Just as I always say, if you can do it, why do you need to buy? Why don't you give it a try? so good. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.